Hey fams, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, September 28th, and I am here at church. Actually, the kids and we just went to visit this church today. We was referred by one of the members that goes there. And y'all, this church is off the chains. It actually reminds me of the church that we were going to in when we were in New York. It's the absolute, like, it's the 100% identical. Okay, so it's like all the same things that we're used to. And Michaela, she's at the youth group right now, so it's absolutely amazing. And we went there today, and I was going through all the things that they had for families and everybody, and it's just so beautiful. So she's going to be there for about 2 hours, so I have some time to kill, and Mikey's at home with Nyla Beezy. So I figure while I am sitting here waiting, I can just, talk to you guys for a little bit. So that's what we're doing now. But before anything else, before I get into anything else, I just wanted to first say you guys are absolutely 100% amazing. I mean, you guys are just incredible. You're absolutely incredible. I am overwhelmed in a good way by the support, the love, the encouragement, your prayers. I mean, in every step of the way, you guys have showed up and showed out for my kids and I. And the last couple weeks it's been hard. It's been crazy. Last week was the culmination of everything, and then once I got that text that the divorce was final, I think that everything just hit me all at once, and it broke me. It broke me. But it also helped me to release. And for me, a lot of times people are like, why you cry so much? You cry for everything. Because crying for me is a release. It's a cleansing. Whenever I cry, I release whatever it is that I'm feeling, whatever it is I'm going through, and it just feels better. Even when I'm worshiping, I'm crying because I am filled and overwhelmed with so many emotions and just everything. And so I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for showing up for us. Thank you guys for your kindness. Thank you for your heart. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for just being there for us, for sharing your stories. Some of you also went through this process of divorce, and y'all were just sharing your testimonies and your stories with me, and it just lifted me. It really lifted me. And y'all, I'm telling, it's been a weekend, okay? It's been a weekend, but it's been a great weekend. And God has just showed out in so many ways. I feel like not that I feel like, I know that He is taking me out of my comfort zone. And He's causing me to be in a place where not only do I have to depend on Him, but I also have to stand. I have to stand because there's nothing more that I can do about the circumstances, about the situation. All I can do is stand. And while I'm standing, He is just working things out for our good. I put up that GoFundMe, and it took everything on the inside of me. I've been seeing that GoFundMe for like a month now, and my mom sent it to me at first, and at first I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I don't, there are people out there that need it more than I do, and not saying that I don't need help or anything, but there are people out there that need it more than I do. This is like, I'll get over this and whatever. And y'all, I just had to get out of that prideful spirit, because a closed mouth don't get fed. And the Bible said that if you ask, you shall receive, you seek, you shall find, and if you knock, the door shall be open unto you. And it took everything on the inside of me, you guys, to put that GoFundMe page up to ask for help. It was a lot. I felt on the inside of me, before we submitted it, I felt on the inside just like my stomach was curdling. It just felt very off and very weird. But at the same time, I knew that it was the right thing to do, because we do need the help. And like I said, I'm in a season of coming out of this, my comfortable stage, and really learning how to ask for help and receiving the help. Because all the time I'm always the one kind of like pouring out. I have, obviously people in my personal circle that always helps me and my kids and pours out into me. But I'm the one that's like, I don't want to ask for help, because I can do this, I can do that, I can get it done, I can da. Child, I could not believe the outpouring of support that you guys have shown me and my kids, and still are continuously showing my kids and I. We are so grateful, you guys. Thank y'all so much for the donations, for your support, I can't even tell it all. It's overwhelmingly good. We are so grateful. And so far we have received over $2,000 in donations in 24 hours. And it's been absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we are definitely on our way to our goal. We found a car. I emailed the dealership, because it's about an hour away from where we live. So I emailed the dealership, and I'm just waiting back to hear from him. But we did find a car, and I'm gonna put it here, somewhere up here. I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you guys can see it, so y'all can see what it is that we are working towards. But we did find a car, you guys, and I'm super excited about it. And once we hit the goal that we're looking for, we can take that money and we can go ahead and get ourselves a car. So I am so grateful. I'm driving this car now because I took it to Meineke, and the sweetest guy, he owns the joint, but he is so sweet and just a godsend. He is such a blessing, has been such a blessing, and he really helped me out. Like, he took the muffler out, cut it off, he gave me a free oil change, he did everything, and he did it all for free, you guys. When I tell you that God has truly showed out this weekend, my heart is so full and just so grateful. So I just want to thank everybody. I can't thank y'all enough for just being there for my kids and I, and for continuously lifting us up in prayer and continuously supporting, and in every possible way. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We are so grateful, and thank y'all so much for coming along on this journey with us. It's a journey, but we're so grateful. And I also want to address one thing, because in the comments of my last video, we had 99% positive comments and support and encouragement. But there was this one out-of-pocket individual that took it upon herself, himself, not sure, but took it upon themselves to assume that I don't work, that my children need to go to daycare, and basically that I'm lazy, and that the reason why I'm in the position that I'm in is because I don't want to work. Let me just first address that, okay? I addressed it in the comment, but I'm going to address it here as well. Before, and you know who you are, so before you assume things about a person, make sure you know what you are talking about, because you obviously don't know what you're talking about, and it's probably your first time being on my channel watching my videos, and you just automatically assumed that I was another statistic. You just automatically assumed that I don't work, that my kids need to be in daycare and all this stuff. But let me tell you something. I have never not worked, okay? The only time I didn't work is when COVID hit and my kids had to be home from school. But I have always worked. Not only worked, but I have always held down great jobs. I had a business, a daycare business for 10 years. So my children needed not to go to daycare because I was a working home mom, all right? I do work now, and I am taking care of my children, and they are grown kids. My kids are teenagers, 19, 18, and 15 years old. So they don't need daycare, boo. And I do work. So before you come on here and make assumptions, go back, watch the videos, see what my life is about, and why the last video that I made, why it was what it was, okay? I don't need to explain my life or anything to anybody. I really don't. This is my video diary, and I take it upon myself to show my raw emotions, because I want to be able to show people that you don't have to suffer in silence, that you don't have to go through things alone, that we are all here for each other. So next time, just be kind. Show some kindness. It doesn't take a lot to be a kind, empathetic, compassionate person. You say that you're operating in love, but that was not love, boo. That was not love. Love does not assume negative things about each other, a person. Love does not harm you. Love does not discriminate against you. Like that was out of pocket, far left, and that made absolutely no sense. So I was gonna block you. But I'm not gonna block you, because I can take criticism. I can take hardcore criticism. I have a, listen, I have a strong back, okay? It may seem like I don't, but I am a very, very strong person. But I just want you to know, before you assume anything about a person, make sure you know what you're talking about. Because girl, you obviously had no clue as to who I am or what my channel is about. All right, so God bless you, and remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. So that's my schmeal for the day. But to everybody else that has been riding and rocking with me and know my story and knows my journey, and I also want to thank Sue Miller, because girl, you showed up for me in that comment section. You went right in, and you really showed up for me and showed out, and you really let that girl know, what was up. So I just want to thank you so much. You really showed up for your sister girl. So thank you guys so much again. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, for showing up. Y'all had my kids in tears all weekend. Their faith level has increased tremendously. I mean, going from seeing what they were seeing to what it is and what God is doing, their faith level is here. It's like so high, My son, when we found out about all the donations and stuff like that, he was with me, and he was just like, Mommy, I cannot believe that this is happening. I said, you know what? Me either. Like, I was shocked, just as shocked as he was, and in tears. Obviously I was in tears. but it just was such an amazing moment, and I am just so grateful. So thank you guys so much. I really just wanted to make this video today. I know it's not like a decorating video or anything like that, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for blessing us, for being a blessing, for encouraging us, for showing up and showing out, and for allowing God to use your heart. I am praying for you and your family, and I'm praying for the same level of blessing that you guys have just poured out on my children and I, that God restores it to you guys 100-fold in the name of Jesus. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on Friday with, I think I'm gonna do a thrifting video for Friday. I was gonna do a thrifting video last week, but everything happened with my car. I was out of work for 2 days, you guys, because of my car. I did not go to work for 2 days, and I lost out on that. I don't work, I don't get paid, so I didn't get paid for those 2 days, but it's okay. It's okay. God is he's on the throne, and he's working it out. He's working it out. So, but I will have a thrifting video for you guys on Friday, and hopefully it'll be a good one. Hopefully it'll be a good one, and you know, we can go and see what they have at the thrift store. So again, remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too, and I'll see you guys on Friday. I love you guys so much. Bye.